This is our winner. Gullfoss, translated to Golden Falls, is one of Iceland's most iconic and beloved waterfalls, found in the Vita River Canyon in southwest Iceland. This water in Vita River travels from the glacier Langjökull before cascading 32 meters, 105 feet down Gullfoss. Two stages in a dramatic display of nature's raw power. This incredible sight is seen by most visitors as it is on the Golden Circle. So you've probably noticed that a beautiful rainbow is complementing this waterfall.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe!